Ever wondered how to make a perfect cheese pizza at home? The answer lies in a handful of simple ingredients, a dash of patience, and a sprinkle of culinary creativity. Today, embark on a gastronomic journey to master the art of pizza making. Begin with the backbone of any pizza, the dough. Combine 2¼ teaspoons of active dry yeast with a teaspoon of sugar and 1 cup of warm water. Stir it well and let it sit for about 5 minutes or until it becomes frothy. This is the yeast springing into action, a crucial step in achieving that perfect fluffy crust. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, mix 3½ cups of flour with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of salt and the yeast mixture. Knead it all together until a soft, elastic dough forms. This should take about 10 minutes. Once the dough feels springy and smooth, place it in a greased bowl, cover it with a clean kitchen towel and let it rise. This process, known as proofing, takes about an hour and a half. It might seem like a long wait, but patience is the secret ingredient in pizza making. While the dough is rising, it's time to prepare the other star of the show, the cheese. For a classic cheese pizza, mozzarella is the go-to choice. Grate about 2 cups of mozzarella cheese and set it aside. Next in line is the sauce. In a saucepan, combine a can of crushed tomatoes, a clove of minced garlic, ½ a teaspoon each of dried oregano and salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes until it thickens into a rich, aromatic pizza sauce. When the dough has doubled in size, it's ready to be shaped. Transfer it onto a floured surface and using a rolling pin, roll it out into a circle. Remember, the thickness of the crust is entirely up to personal preference. Transfer the rolled dough onto a pizza stone or a baking sheet. Spread a generous layer of the tomato sauce over it, leaving a small border for the crust. Scatter the grated mozzarella evenly over the sauce. If desired, sprinkle some dried oregano and chili flakes on top for an extra kick. Bake the pizza in a preheated oven at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Finally, remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. The result, a perfect cheese pizza, made right in your own kitchen. To summarize, making a perfect cheese pizza involves a series of steps. Preparing the yeast, kneading the dough, letting it rise, preparing the cheese and sauce, shaping the dough, assembling the pizza, and baking it. Each step is crucial in achieving that perfect balance of a crispy crust, tangy sauce, and ooey gooey cheese. So why not give it a try? The perfect pizza might be just a knead, rise, and bake away.